Precedence of lines in drawings. We covered that there are different types of line styles used in engineering drawings: visible lines, hidden lines, center lines, and so on. When two or more lines overlap, you do not need to draw all of them. You follow this order. If a center line overlaps with a hidden line, you only need to sketch the hidden line. If hidden line overlaps with a visible line, the visible line precedes the hidden line, which means you just draw a visible line. The figure shows examples. A visible line is overlapping with a hidden line in the number 1 location. In the number 2 location, visible line is overlapping with a center line. A center line is overlapping with a hidden line in the location number 3. If a cylinder is smoothly transitioned to a plane or another cylinder, the boundary line is not sketched. In fact, the boundary line is artificial. If you look closely at the seam of a real object, there is no line. So whenever two geometries smoothly meet at a line, the line is not sketched because there's no such line. In the figure, case A, the top view and the side views are just rectangles because the quarter cylinder is tangent to the side planes. In case C, the two cylinders tangentially connected to each other. The top cylinder is smoothly connected to the top plane, so there are no lines among the two planes and two cylinders. It makes a sharp corner between the lower cylinder and the vertical plane, so there must be a line on the right side view. In the D case, is similar to case C, but if you look closely, the center marks of the two cylinders are not leveled horizontally. The center mark for the upper cylinder is a bit higher than the lower cylinder, so there must be a tiny little vertical surface that fills the gap between the two cylinders. Due to the vertical planar surface, a line is sketched on the top view. Cases E through H illustrates that when the two planes meet tangentially, no line is sketched.